Hey, what's going on, everybody? Y'all know who it is. A little rough by the head, but you know we back at it. Y'all see, we're looking at this 2015 Jeep Compass. I picked it up for $12.50. It was here in Oklahoma, so that makes it even better. You know, when it's here in Oklahoma and I can go pick it up, I should have showed y'all where I picked it up from, but it really doesn't matter. I picked it up here in Oklahoma, so it saves me on the transportation fee. So can't really beat it when you get a car here in Oklahoma. But it's a 2015 Jeep Compass. It's got a little damage right there, but we're gonna take this to Wilson and we're gonna have them fix that right there. But we definitely gonna have them fix that right here. Have them fix that little piece right there, the hood. But that's the only really damage the car has on it. So let's get it. It's got good tires all the way around. Has 148,000, 148, 084, but it's got more than that because you know it's been driven. Good rubber, good wheels. Interior needs to be clean, so that ain't nothing. Take it to Wilson Detail Shop. I already checked all the fluids. All the fluids was good. Got the little Beavis and Butthead over there with the little deer seats. It does have a 4-wheel drive lock. Does need a good detail though. Fires right up. As y'all can see, 148, 116, not too far away. You know, not too far away. We pop the hood. Like I said, look at all that pet hair and all that. Gonna take this down there to Wilson though. Take these seat covers off. Get this little piece fixed up. Little 4-cylinder in this thing. As y'all can see, all the fluids topped off, the oil is clean. Definitely get it cleaned up underneath the hood, wash up under here real good. You know, coolant was full. Like I said, only got this little damage right there, so it shouldn't be that much to fix. Hopefully, that's the only little damage. Don't know exactly how that happened. You know, it's kind of crazy how a little just damage right there. But like I said, go get it detailed. You know, make sure all the tire pressure is everything. Put that full good. Tell them, hey, get the carpet, get the real pet hair out of here. You know, get this thing really cleaned up and immaculate. You know. See, we got a spare in here. Yep, got a spare. Got to clean in between there. All of that good stuff. Got a backup cam. Got the backup cam. 4x4. 4x4. Came from Toyota, so you know they don't want no Jeep on the Toyota lot. I got a Toyota. What I want a Jeep for? You know. Like I said, no. Ain't got no service warning lights. Good radio, compass. You know, need to hang this up. Have Wilson hang this up for me. Put a little couple screws in there. Get that thing. Get it hung up. As y'all can see, little Malibu over there chilling, doing his thug thizzle. Let's see, we got the Oklahoma news talk. You know, here in Oklahoma, here live from Oklahoma. Here live from Oklahoma is JJ's Cars and Gotta check, make sure all the windows work. Okay, that one didn't go down. Okay. Oh, go back up. Window switch. Oh. Okay, so need a window switch. Let's see. Okay, so we need a main window switch. Can pick that up off a line for like $20. That's like $20. So we'll go ahead and order those while Wilson's fixing that. So. Tires, yeah, we got some good tread on them. Good tread on them. Okay, brakes look good. The rotors look good. Brakes and rotors. Brakes and rotors look good. Let's get my little thumbnail, you know. Close that door, but we're gonna take this to Wilson though. So the person had nothing to complain about. Cause I was just gonna get a detail, but I'm like, nah, why? You know. Why? Well, I don't want no. The fluids and everything is already clean. The oil's fresh. I don't want no complaints. There's no complaints. That's why. You know. I'm not gonna say, you know, the younger me, when I'm just out there, when I was first started, and when I was first started and I was just grinding, just trying to move cars, I would have just cleaned it up, had it cleaned up, and sold it with the little damage. But no, you know, you get older, you get wiser, you know. And I want to minimize it, because customers are already gonna come to you complaining, finding something to complain. Like, even after this car gets detailed and everything, if this was broke, like say this is broke or it's hanging and it's not like fully latched like how it's supposed to be, like it's hanging, they'll find something. Or if they happen to see, like if the detail shop doesn't clean up all the pet hair and for some reason it's like showing somewhere a little something, they'll complain up. Customers are always going to find something to complain about, because you know they try to look for that one little thing to get them some type of little discount. Because I mean, everything is a negotiation. When you come to buy a car, it's a negotiation, and a lot of times they want to feel like they won. You know, so hey, if they can negotiate, hey, oh, these tires look a little thin. You know, I'm gonna have to get some new tires, or you know, I'm gonna have to get some new struts, or oh, I'm gonna have to get a new headlight bulb, or a tire pressure sensor, or something. They're gonna say something. So, or they're gonna always find something. Tires is one thing that the customers will always try to say. The tires, oh man, those tires don't look that good. I'm gonna have to go get some new tires, and that's gonna cost about $600 to $1,000. I'm like, no, you can actually find tires way cheaper than that. You know, unless you're putting tires on like a truck, or you know, like a foreign car, or a sports car or something. Then yeah, but if you're just looking for a regular car on some basic tires, it shouldn't cost you that much. But the tires is one thing that they always say, like tires. They might say like a strut or something like that, but it's like kind of tires is always the main thing if you see somebody trying to negotiate. But we about to run this down there to Wilson. He already got one of my other cars down there as well, but I already did made a video on that. It's the blue Hyundai. He's fixing the little fender in the front, so he's fixing that. Let me turn this radio off because don't want to get copyrighted. I got my tag. I don't think I do, but I think I'll be all right. Or maybe, no, I think I do. I think it's on there. But if not, we'll be all right. We got to take this down here to my buddy, my good pal, my good buddy Wilson. Have him fix this up, and we're gonna make some money. There's nothing that can, like, look, it ain't got no shaking, it ain't no rattling, nothing for the person to complain about. And there ain't no stress issues. So the person, hey, you know, they took good care of it, and then they traded it in for a Toyota. So hey, going from a Jeep to a Toyota, I don't blame you. But Jeep makes a pretty good vehicle. Jeep Wranglers is like really the best of the best. But appreciate everybody for rocking with me. Let me know in the comment section below. I'm thinking about 5,000, 5,500. You know, maybe a little bit more than that, but I'm thinking 5,000, 5,500 is kind of where it's at on this one. Let me know in the comment section below. Is 5,000, 5,500 a good price, or would you sell it for more? It's a 2015 Jeep Compass 4-wheel drive, 148,000. So right under 150,000. Because I know most people that go look for used car, they always try to look for like something like 150,000 miles or less. You know, that's always like the cap. It'd be like, we want something at 150,000 miles or less, always. So, but appreciate everybody for rocking. I'm out. Peace.